Thank you for purchasing the HPN Black Series heat press machine. Once you've unboxed your heat press, take a minute to familiarize yourself with the different parts of the machine. The first thing you'll need to do is install the secondary leverage handle. Remove the two socket head screws from the leverage bar connected to the body of the heat press. Set the leverage handle in place, then reinstall the screws. Tighten the screws with a hex key. This secondary handle will now provide you with additional leverage when operating the heat press at high pressure settings. Next, you'll need to set the pressure to a good starting point. Perform a paper pressure test by placing a sheet of paper onto the front of the lower platen and closing the press. If the paper slides out easily, then the pressure is set too low. Increase the pressure by turning the pressure adjustment knob clockwise while the heat press is in the open position. The heat press should still be able to close relatively easily, but the paper should no longer slide out. Make sure that all sides of the lower platen have proper pressure. Next, plug the heat press directly into an electrical outlet. Do not use an extension cord or power strip. Also, always unplug the heat press when it is not in use. Every HPN Black Series heat press comes with dual internal fuses that will protect the machine from electrical surges. Flip the red rocker switch up to power on the machine. The digital computer gauge features capacitive touchscreen buttons. Lightly press the set button on the digital computer gauge. This will access the P1 function, which allows you to set the temperature. Lightly pressing the set button again will access the P2 function, which allows you to set the time. P3 allows you to set the desired temperature scale, and P4 allows you to set the number of minutes on the auto shutdown feature. Pressing the set button a final time will bring you back to the real-time temperature and your heat press will begin to heat up. Pressing the clear button will reset the heat press counter to 0. Your heat press is now ready for use. If you have any questions regarding your HPN Black Series heat press machine or heat transferring in general, please visit support@heatpressnation.com.